Hi, this is Bernard Brault. I want to share a video on how to do traffic shaping on the network port, which is a port B of the MetroNID. So I have my laptop here and it's connected. So I have a NIC card connected to port A, which is the user port, and outgoing port B to my home router, and I'll do just an internet speed test. So I'm just going to show you how the NID is configured, and then we'll do a speed test and do some traffic shaping. So I connect to the NID here. Let me just get this to 100%. First of all, you need to go to policies here, and normally I have this disabled, but I enabled the traffic here. The reason why I normally have it disabled because I don't allow traffic to pass through between the two ports. I use the NID, single NID for an Ethernet tester, and in this case I would have these policies here blocked. So in this case I need to enable it. The next place to go is into shaping right here. First thing is to go to the priority mapping. So I look at this priority map, and this is basically mapping the 7 quality of service or 8 quality of service of Ethernet into Shaper 1. So I'm going to set this to all to Shaper 1, apply the setting, and then configure the Shaper. So you click on Shaper 1 right here, and this is where I set up the shaper, the traffic shaper information. So let me show you an example here. So let me set my maximum uplink rate on the internet is about 10 meg, so I cannot test anything above that. But I could set this, for example, to 6 meg, apply the settings. And then to make sure that everything is working fine, I'm going to look at the shaper statistics here. So I can look at the details, clicking there and refreshing right here, or I could just look in general and just do like a quick refresh, and that's what I'm going to do. So let's go on the internet, and I'm just going to do a speed test right here. So of course my download test is not affected because I'm shaping the traffic going up on the outbound port. So this is the testing download, but it's on the upload that I expect to see somewhere around 5 meg, and shape traffic. So when it's going to start uploading, I'll do a refresh right there and we'll see what happens. So there you go, and I'm refreshing, and you see it says committed rate 6, and look, I'm getting, this is like probably a TCP 5.5. so that if you want to look at the statistics there, and you can do a bit of a refresh, and there you have it. So I had the traffic shaper set to 6 meg, no excessive rate, and there you have it. So if you're interested in doing traffic shaping with the MetroNID, 3 things to remember: make sure that the policies are set to allow traffic on the A and the B port, between the 2 ports, and then go to shaping right here, assign through the map the the 7 or 8 priority Ethernet priorities to Shaper 1, and enable and configure Shaper 1. Make sure that Shaper 1 is enabled, and you can monitor that through the statistics right here. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you. How do I terminate this now?